Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making eggless chocolate volcano cake. For this we need 1 bowl of refined flour, 3/4 bowl of curd, cocoa powder, castor sugar, baking soda, 1 bowl milk, baking powder, butter, chocolate, cherries and vanilla essence. So take in a bowl, mix curd and milk and mix it, add butter and mix it for 5 to 6 minutes till very smooth. Now take a strainer, add all-purpose flour, castor sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder and strain them. Mix them again. Now add them into our wet ingredient and mix them in one direction till smooth consistency. So our batter is ready. Now take a cake mold, grease it, put some refined flour, add half of the batter. Now add cherry and chocolate and add cherry chocolate mixture. Again put the batter, tap it. Take ready silicone mold, batter, cherry chocolate mixture and again batter, and your eggless chocolate volcano cake is ready. Thank you.